Alright, let's look at the timing. Timing is very important when it comes to trading. A lot of people, a lot of beginners like to get on the charts or like to start trading, and they feel like whenever they have spare time, they can just flip their phone open and make some money. It's not the case, man. Guys, you have to be aware that just like in a bank, when you go to a bank and the vault is closed or the safe is, is closed and they're unable to open it at this time, that's because although you do have the codes, although you may have the key and the credentials to open the safe only unlocks at a certain time of day for you to have access to place the key or the code to open the gate. If you understand what I'm saying, you can use the analogy and apply it to trading. It's in the same sense, the same thing. If you're trading at the wrong times of day, you're not getting any money out the vault consistently. You're definitely going to be on the losing end and not on the receiving end of anything coming from the vault. So, knowing when to trade is very important, okay? Every pair has a different time frame where it's most ideal to trade. So, we're going to use GBP USD, for example. How about that? So, if you look down here at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025, 16. Okay. If you go over, you got 8 o'clock. You go over, you got 4 o'clock. You got I guess, start of a new day. 0000, right? Notice the 0000 points. Okay, we're going to go from the top. Going to raise on up to the top of this candle. Right? So if you were trading at 0000, which is the new start of a new day, you would have been able to catch this move from here to this little thing is in the way. Let me see. From here to here. You'd have been able to catch that move for about 47. Alright, let's see. Go over to the next double O. You would have been able to catch a move from here to here for another 49. Okay. Go over to the next double O. Is it this a double O? No. Okay, go from this double O. You would have been able to make from here to here. A good 47. Are you guys noticing the trend? We're gonna go from this double O and measure it from the base, boom, all the way here, which is good for a good 53. We're gonna go from this double O. Oh shit, wrong. Excuse me. Go from this, where is it at? Okay, we're right here. So this double O. So a little bit of, like, I guess the market trying to stop loss hunt on the next candle. But nevertheless, from here, I'm pretty sure this was a Wednesday or a Thursday. Wednesday going into Thursday. Normally Thursdays give these huge moves, man. 230 pips just by trading at the right time. Okay, how does my levels help? Well, if this was a double O right here, and we understood how reversal patterns work, let's see. want to do. Okay, we're gonna stick to the theme of time frames. Okay, I'll show y'all this, but I wanted to show y'all in the tab of reversal patterns. We'll touch up on this specific area. If we were to wait until this one, we would have caught 200 pips. That so happened to end at a 0-0. So normally after a huge move like this, there's going to be like a lot of exhaustion both ways. From what I understand, you want to try your best to stay out of the market after a large move as such. Yeah, we had this exhaustion period in here. Wick down, wake up. Let's see. 0-0. Still gave us this wick up. I guess you could draw a box around this area and wait for a breakout and took the entry. Let's see. Then we got this 0-0. Came in and gave us gave us 148 pips. This started on a Monday, okay. Gave us 148 pips. Gonna go to the next 0-0. This 0-0. Come in, boom. And it gave us initially 78 before the pullback, but currently 131. So all I'm saying is, guys, there is no point in jumping in the market at 8 o'clock and say, I want to take a buy. And then you take a buy at 8 o'clock on Wednesday, and you're chasing after a 10 pip move that reverses on you 17 pips. All right. So it's important for you guys to study what it is that you're trading, understand what's the best time frame to apply your trading knowledge to the chart, or else you're definitely not at the bank when the vault can be open, if that makes sense. All right, this is just the first video on understanding the importance of trading in the right time frames. I keep you guys informed as much as I can. If you know, you know. Let's go.